This is the Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. It's an amazing vessel, great forward seating and cockpit seating. This boat is available for immediate sale and delivery at MarineMax Fort Myers. Come see us. As we go on board the boat, you have a great transom walkthrough. The aft seat is easily deployed into a fabulous seating area, port side reversible seat, awesome captain's chair, helm, forward head with pump out, and incredible lounge seating. This 230 Vantage is extremely spacious, very maneuverable, and easy to get around forward, aft, port to starboard. Come see this boat today at MarineMax Fort Myers.